Probably have to go slippers in you. Them rock are sharp. Try to find a blow hole. I'm gonna see it. Oh, sir. Crab, you're dead. Yeah, it's a dead crab. Yeah, so the West End Negril side. A place named Somewhere West. So we have to take out down here, do some work. So now I have to get up early and come get some footage. Oh, it's over there, so the blowhole there. I go over there, blowhole. It's like the water go under the rock and then come up through the rock. So I've never seen one before in real life. So I'm going over there. Yeah. Them thing I mean loving. It's about 7 o'clock in the morning, obviously. And I make the walk, find the blowhole. Just see some water come through it. You don't want to walk too fast and pass it. Alright, so stay with me. You know, I haven't been posted. Oh wait, I wonder if I eat this. This could be it. Right there in that crack there. Just have to wait for a big wave. Confirm if I eat. Can hear the cavitation under there. There's a gap under the rock. So all it needs is a big wave. Prove the theory right. Big wave should come along in a minute. I'm prepared to wait on one. I think I see one coming. Oh, this is like a. Woo! See that paper? That's a blowhole. Right? Yo. I ain't never seen this before. You know what I gotta do? As a real madman, I gotta stand up over it. Look, it's a little hole for real. It's a little hole for real. This probably flood my phone, but let's see. There's a blowhole, right? Oh shit! Yo, Malik, walk that way there. Walk so. Let's